In most of the buildings, the air conditioning alone can account for up to 40 to 50% of the total energy consumption. These systems run almost continuously, making them one of the largest drivers of operating costs. As times go by, the equipment age, coils degrade, and internal efficiency drops. Performance quietly declines. This leads to unnecessary energy wastage. Improving air conditioning efficiency is one of the most essential tasks of the building owners. HVAC systems gradually lose efficiency due to corrosion, oxidation, contaminant buildup, and moisture retention on condenser and cooling coil fin tube surfaces. Due to this, compressors work harder, fans run longer, and energy consumption increases. But what if the coil surfaces could be rejuvenated without replacing the coil itself? That is exactly what Radiant Plus E3 coating system is designed to do. Radiant Plus is a water-based coating specially developed for HVAC and refrigeration heat exchangers. It not only protects coils against corrosion, but also restores and enhances their performance. The coating is a particles designed for managing the coil surface energy embedded within a water-based polymer matrix, which allows heat to move efficiently through the coating instead of being trapped by it. The restoration process begins with controlled pressure water cleaning to remove any surface dust. Next, a chemical cleansing process removes any oxidation, grease, and contaminants. The coils are then rinsed again before a primer is applied to prepare the surface for strong adhesion. Finally, the Radiant Plus is sprayed onto the coil surface as an ultra-thin layer, only about 10 to 15 microns thick. Because the layer is extremely thin, airflow through the fins is not blocked. Instead, Radiant Plus smoothens rough and corroded surfaces, allowing the coil to behave like a clean, high-performance heat exchanger again. This in turn results in less resistance to airflow and reduced fan power. One of Radiant Plus' most powerful features is its super hydrophobic water management. Normally, rain or condensed water clings onto coil surfaces, forming an insulating layer that reduces heat exchange efficiency. Radiant Plus's hydrophobic nature allows water to shed rapidly from the coil surface, creating a thermally drier coil with better airflow, better heat transfer, and lower energy consumption. In restoration testing, corroded coils had lost over 12% of their energy efficiency ratio. After rejuvenation of the coil, not only the energy efficiency loss was totally restored, it has improved the efficiency more than before the corrosion. Radiant Plus is so chemical resistant that it has passed 15,000 hours of salt spray test. It is a powerful protection for HVAC installed in harsh environments such as resorts along the coastal areas, water desalination, and chemical plants. Real-world installations have demonstrated energy savings ranging from over 10% to nearly 40% in certain applications. Radiant Plus can be applied directly onto existing systems on-site without replacing the coils. HVAC performance can be restored, equipment lifespan extended, maintenance reduced, and energy consumption lowered. Radiant Plus restoring HVAC efficiency, protecting HVAC assets, and bringing cooling systems back to peak efficiency. Subscribe to this channel to stay informed of the smart solutions to improve the energy efficiencies of HVAC systems.